This is Mohan Munna, UX designer. Today our topic is grid system with vertical alignment. First, let's see what are the available grids on the internet. So this website is called 1200px.com. Here we can set the variables for grid and we can download it through Photoshop file. So here we are taking the full width as 960px. So column width is 40, number of columns as 16 and the gutter space is 20. So this we can take the Photoshop file, Illustrator file, or we can download the CSS file here. So let's see how we can create it by our own with the customization. So I use Photoshop to create grid system. So I have taken 960 width and height as we want. So I show how to create the grid system. So take a rectangle tool. So width, how we given in the 1200 pixels, we'll give width as 40 pixels and height, so as we deserve. So fill it with red color or some other color which you like, and no stroke. So let's align it to top left first. Okay, we have a rectangle tool with 40 width and height as we have taken the file size. So we need 16 columns like this. So we have one column, so let's make it a copy with 16 columns. Like move it to 60 pixels towards right, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So here we have a column width of 40 and gutter space as 20. Similarly, we need 16 different columns like this. So I have created in another file. So you can see we have a 16 columns here with the column width of 40 and the gutter spaces 20. Okay, so what is vertical alignment grid? I'll show you. So vertical, take the width, full width, and height as 10 pixels. So 10 pixels will be very easier to align the contents. So make this similar. So take the fill, remove the stroke. Let's align it to top, middle. Okay. So we have a 10 pixels here and the gutter space will also be 10. So take on copy, 10, 20. So we have one column, one gutter, 10 pixels and one grid here. So this is the final I have done, which has vertical and horizontal grids. I'll show you how to align the contents with using this grid system. Here I have a basic design done. Okay, so we'll see how it is aligned in the grid. I'll zoom little. So you can see the text and the rectangle boxes, it is aligned to the grid with the starting of the column. Okay, it's neatly aligned here. So this is very useful in alignment. Okay, so make use of this. So I'll tell you how it is aligned in the vertical. Let's say this is something moved like this, so you can adjust it to the base of this grid. Okay, so this will be like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Though you can take the header size as height as 60, in that this is aligned perfectly. So I will show you how to do the documentation here. So I have done, see, so we have 20 pixels height here and 20 pixels height below the logo text. So logo is in between. Okay, so similarly we have the spacing for the text and the rectangle boxes here. The purpose of making documentation is it will be very useful for the developers to get the spaces, like they can easily identify what is the space given between the heading text and the paragraph, then paragraph and the rectangle boxes I have used in this design. So just we can give the documentation like this. They will calculate with the vertical grids like 10, 20, 30 pixels. Okay, so this you can hand it over to developers and they will make use of it. The grid is very useful in alignment. Okay, and the documentation is very useful for the developers to know, and they will not ask you again for the spacing and all. So guys, please make use of it. Thank you.